Alright, hey everyone, this is the Vincero Kairos watch that I just got in. It has a gold strap and a white dial. So I got it for about $130. The price originally is about $150, so there's a discount applied to it. Before I get to the watch, here's just a couple items. A little bit about the company. Thank you for your purchase. Their story, process, contact info. Also has information about changing the straps and resizing the band. So this is a band that is the mesh band. So as you can see here, turn it around. And on the back, you have the Veni Vidi Vici, Live Your Legacy. I believe that's marble in the center there. But yeah, it's just, I like the style of this watch. If you're not looking to break the bank, again, it's about $130.